Okay, going into Lowe's to get some supplies to fix the ice maker water line. All right, got a parts list, got to get a few things. All right, fellas, after some help, I got a 3/8 by 1/4 T for the ice maker line, and I've got my supply lines right here. $32 later for stainless parts, and we're gonna go install this. Okay, back at the house now. Bought the equipment to replace the crappy plastic line for the ice maker that has a pinhole in it that's caused me so much grief over the last day and a half. So, okay, I went to Lowe's, and what you'll need to do this is a 3/8 by 3/8 16-inch stainless braided line. Okay, and the reason for this is because the old saddle that pinched a hole in your line you got to remove that saddle and all that, so you need a new line. This is your main faucet line. Okay, then is the actual line you're replacing, the ice maker line. So this is, I went ahead and got a 5-foot 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. So this will connect directly to the refrigerator, and then this will connect right here to our T that we're gonna install. So the T is very important. It's an add a T 3/8 by 3/8 by 1/4. The 1/4 is the ice maker hookup. So 3/8, 3/8, 1/4. All right, and you're gonna need a few wrenches. I just got a few, whether it be 5/8, 3/4, what is this, half, even a metric right there. Just get you a few that fit, because you don't know what you'll run into. So that's why we go with the trusty adjustable. Always have the adjustable in your bag when you're laying under the sink, so you don't have to keep running back and forth. All right, and also I'll show you guys this. This is actually going to be a very important part to pulling the refrigerator out. This is just a small piece of Luan flooring that I've kept, and it will really help you out, and I'll explain why. Okay, so you guys see I've laid the wood, the Luan flooring down over my existing floor, because the main reason, when you pull this refrigerator out, it's got water, drinks, all kinds of heavy stuff, ice, you name it, it's heavy. And your flooring, I don't care if you've got laminate, even hardwoods, you take a chance on those wheels on the refrigerator scarring your floor. So it's always best just to roll it out. It'll roll right up on the thin wood, the Luan. And then when we're done, we just push it back off of it. So just that alone is worth watching this video for. It's going to really help you out to not scar your floors up. Okay, on the back of your refrigerator, there's your ice maker line. So we'll just disconnect here, put the stainless line here, and reroute that through the cabinet. We've got the 5-foot stainless line connected right there, and I've ran through the cabinet. All right, as you can see, this is the old setup. There's that saddle that's got to be removed in the old line right there. That's the saddle. Okay, so this line coming off the supply valve, and this supply line will have to be replaced. That's why I got the 16-inch line, stainless steel line, and then we'll go from there. All right, real quick to show you. Got that loose, and I took that loose from that fitting right there, Okay, so what I done was you take that loose from there and that loose from right there, and there's the saddle. So this whole piece is discarded now. That's nothing but junk. It's just waiting to have an issue. So it's best to get away from those saddle type lines. All right, and you can see where I've already pulled the stainless line halfway through, so we'll pull it through some more. Okay, so you'll notice this brass tee we bought is very important, because this is going to be waterline, ice maker. So this with the bevel in it will go to your supply line. Okay, and then the end of the supply line there will go up there like that. Okay, there it is. Just ran that up on there. That's the supply line. As you can see, there's the T going to the cold water faucet. It tees off going to the ice maker over that way and out through there. So there you go. Okay guys, what you want to do after you've secured your connections, do not over tighten anything, and you turn your supply water on. Exercise your valve up top, letting water in and out. That purges any air that where you turn the water off. And also you check for leaks, and you double check and triple check by laying under here, taking your time. It's better to find a small drip now and tighten up a little bit than to put everything under the cabinet and find out later and you've got a big mess. So, all right, that'll be it. Okay guys, here's the discarded Teflon tube saddle. So that's what right there, that's what a lot of people have in their homes, and it causes nothing but headaches over the years. So I spent about 30 bucks to change mine out because mine did bust. It has a pinhole in it and it was squirting all under the cabinet. So with that being said, you can be proactive and go watch my video and then change yours out before it bursts or after, but it's just a question of time. All right, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Not gonna be about the truck, sorry. It's really an emergency. The wife called and said that had water all in the floor in the kitchen. So chance to make a video to help somebody out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Catch you tomorrow.